this without crying. I can see my family's probably watching right now. They're like, you always crying. You can never go nowhere without crying. Okay, so, well, thank you for this. This is also my first book and my first recognition as well, so thank you. Technology, like you said. Okay, so first and foremost, I want to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, from whom all my blessings flow, including this one, but also for my wife, Nikisha, and my children, Xavier. Never fails. My wife, Nikisha, and my children, Xavier and Aaliyah, who have supported me every step of the way. For my ancestors who chose me to be the griot and bearer of the flame, including my grandmother, Leona Edna Mae Whitley Williams, who taught me to memorize 7 generations of my ancestry when I was 8 years old. For my family, my Binkey descendants, particularly my aunt, Nan, my Aunt Nan Earl Toussaint, and my first cousin and sister and soror, Michelle Gray, who designed this beautiful cover you see behind me. Blue Phi until the day we both die. You know. Thank you to my cousins who descend from the slave-holding families, Arthur Bray, Sarah Bartholomew, and the late Suzette Shields Sanders, who all embraced the call to find the truth, for without them, this moment would not be possible. To Sharon Stiles, Kathy Lynn Marshall, and my cousin Christopher Smothers for your unwavering support, and to all those who I don't have time to name, I love and appreciate you, and I am humbled and honored to receive this award from the Afro-American Historical and Genealogical Society in front of people I have admired and respected for many years now, but also, and most importantly, in the place that my research shows my ancestors' point of entry was more than likely right here in Charleston.
Wow.
Thank you very much.